It's tough. It's a real toughie.
Bring on the burgers!
Bring on the Lipitor.
What do Seth Rogen, Adam Richman, and Tiffani Thiessen all have in common? They pull no punches when it comes to rating LA's best burgers. For LA Food & Wine's Burger Throwdown, I gathered 25 of the city's top burger spots and narrowed it down to 3 contestants for our all-star panel of judges to taste. Who deserves the crown? A Popup smashburger, a genre-bending Filipino burger, or a pared-down classic? Friends!
Yes.
Welcome! We have plenty of stuff to talk about.
Yeah.
What defines the classic LA burger?
I think classic LA burgers to me are like pretty simple with like one defining feature. Apple pan is like a very simple burger, but they have that sauce
That hickory
I
sauce.
don't love that much that they put on there. And like In-N-Out burger, again, it's like a pretty
Special
simple
sauce.
burger, but they have their sauce,
Correct.
you know? It's
Animal
like
style, like
yeah,
the X
exactly.
Factor.
I think, but it at its core, it's like a pretty simple, like thin pattied, you know, not giant thing.
Didn't you tell me that Seth was the one who said that thick patties are for dickheads?
I don't like thick patty burgers. Love thin patties.
Like thin patties.
Thick patties are for dickheads.
Like, I don't think of LA like in terms of like a brioche bun with like romaine lettuce or something on it.
Yeah,
I think about something that's sort of soft and pliable with some
With a good sear. It has
crunchy
to have a
element
good
in the
sear on it.
middle.
We live in California. The weather is amazing. You're always barbecuing and grilling outside.
Yeah.
All I ask is that, we keep a couple of criteria in mind. One is, technical. Is it like seared? Is the bun great? 2, are the ratios right? And 3, what sets them apart from everybody else? What's their X factor?
Those are the things I used to say about boyfriends when I was dating. Bring on the burgers!
Bring on the Lipitor.
I'm Mark Tripp, and this is Tripp Burgers. I run a smashburger pop-up here in Los Angeles. I got into the hamburger world after seeing George Motz's documentary, Hamburger America. I worked in advertising for 35 years, recently got out of advertising, and decided to go full bore with the pop-up. With LA, you can kind of literally roll up on the sidewalk with your taco cart griddle and start a business. The blend from my recipe is chuck top sirloin bacon. So I start with a ball, just a little over 2 ounces, smash it with my smashula, get it nice and thin, and I wait till there's a nice lacy edge. Flip it over and put a piece of American cheese on it, toast a Martin's potato bun, and then put them all together. What sets my blend apart from just about everybody else's burgers that I've tried is the bacon. It gives it a smokiness, a little richness to it that other regular burgers don't have.
The first category is smash burger, Mark Tripp. He doesn't have a restaurant. He doesn't have a food truck. It's a cart,
How
a griddle.
nouveau.
Yeah, it's a griddle that he probably
He's just
bought
an
on,
idea.
Yeah, he bought it on Amazon.
He whispers burger in your ear as you walk by
and
him.
he makes this burger.
It's like Jacques Lecoq.
Yeah.
This burger actually has ground bacon in it.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
So it's kosher.
Yeah. it looks like a Shake Shack burger, kind of.
It does look
just
like a
at,
Shake
at
Shack.
first blush.
Let's hit it. Let's hit
All right,
it.
all right.
That's fucking good.
You can definitely taste the bacon in that.
You can definitely taste the bacon. And that kind of caramelized, crunchy sort of sear on that's the best part.
It's
That's
crunchy.
like having crispy bacon in the morning.
Wouldn't mind a squirt of some condiment though.
That's
It's a-
exactly what I was gonna say.
it's a
So it's a
little
little
dry.
dry. It's a little dry.
Purists, listen up. Maybe sometimes we need a little bit of condiment.
Hell yes.
Depends on the burger.
Huh? What?
Depends on the burger.
Yeah. Well, true.
Ketchup, mustard, pickle. I just try to emulate the cheeseburgers from
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the dragon. That's the dragon I'm chasing at all
that
times.
sounds about right.
Chopped onions, pickles, mustard.
I thought we were a little bit different than that.
Yeah.
But okay.
No,
all right.
And he's only been doing this for like 5 months.
Whoa.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
How did you
What
find
did he
about
do
this
before
guy?
that?
Every hype beast style foodie has
all
like
over this
talked
burger.
about this burger.
So you need to
This
put
is-
like one of those off-white little red tags. through the bun
Yeah,
and shit.
exactly. This is a Virgil Abloh off-white burger.
It has
in
to
Los
say burger
Angeles.
in quotes.
Gotta take it up a notch, and we'll go with like the burger with pedigree.
This is like trendy burger.
yeah. We're
trendy
going
burger.
with we're going with the next category, the
Okay.
iconic.
Got it. We're at the airport, everybody.
We are on
And we're all
a
sweating.
runway.
I'm Chad Valencia. I'm the chef owner of a Filipino American restaurant in LA called LASA. So the burger's inspired by a Filipino dish called bistek, a stewed or braised dish of beef and onions. So we season the griddle, we get the patty on, we get nice caramelization on the bottom, onions that are stewed and seasoned with toyo, soy sauce, and munsi. Edam cheese. After the buns get toasted, we put a little bit of calamansi aioli on it just to bring some of that brightness up. The kind of different thing is we dip it in jus like you would a French dip. You know, we grew up eating burgers, but grew up also eating Filipino food. We're proud of it. We're proud of it.
Category number 2, iconoclast.
Okay.
The burger from off the beaten path.
Okay.
Something super unique. This is a Filipino-inspired burger, and this is the beef jus that classically in the Filipino dish.
The beef
stew.
what?
It's a beef jus.
7 more, we'll have a minion.
I got it. That's
God
what I've
bless
been
you.
called throughout my life.
Yeah.
This is exciting.
It's very
Is it Filipino if it's not salty?
Yeah, exactly. It's very authentically Filipino. It's heavily seasoned. All biasness aside, me being Filipino and me like, you
Yeah.
know, loving Filipino food, like this actually nails the flavor.
Always eat a burger with some jus.
And Alvin chose 2 of them
Yeah,
today.
exactly. He doubled down. I'll never stop doing this joke.
They just won Food and Wine magazine's best restaurant of the year.
Wow.
So they have,
Word?
yeah, they have a pedigree. So this is a fine dining burger only available on the weekends.
Huh.
It has pedigree. But on that note, have you ever been to a Hollywood party where there's like an extravagant foodie experience? Like you walk in and like Gordon Ramsay is in the backyard cooking a burger?
I have gone to things like
I've
that.
been
No,
to those,
dude,
yes.
please tell me. Like let me live in your life for like 2 seconds.
I've been to things where, yeah, like Wolfgang Puck is like there, like handing out pizzas and shit like that.
Yeah, I'm on basic cable, not at Hollywood parties.
Come on, I know
If you get the Weather Channel, you get my entire oeuvre.
My name is Fausto Ramos, and I'm head chef of Everson Royce Bar in downtown LA. We do the single burger here, very simple. We start off with a 4-ounce patty. So our ground beef chuck mix is a special beef blend that we get from Huntington Meats. We place egg brioche bun on the grill. After the bun is toasted lightly, we spread it with our house-made Dijonnaise sauce. After the patty forms a nice crust, on one side we flip, 1 piece of Tillamook cheddar on it, lightly melted, bun goes on, and that's it, 2 spears of pickles, and that's all we need. Simple, classic, LA.
Third category, classic.
Yep.
Meats, cheese, bun. The brioche bun is made by the same bakers that make In-N-Out.
Whoa. Do you put the pickles on it?
I always do.
For me, if it's on the side, I'm taking it like as a shot, a palate cleanser.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Well, it is vinegar.
Medium rare.
I like
The
the pickles.
Dijonnaise almost makes it like garlic bread because it's so
Yep.
thick
Yeah.
and so cakey. I almost wish this with like a grilled potato bun instead.
The ratios
I
are.
make-
I feel like there's a little too much bread.
Look at the top bun. What was the thing that Chez Panisse said that like everything should almost be like the same
Same
size?
ratios, yeah, man.
Once you squish it down, it is.
Yeah.
I've had this one physically at the restaurant a couple times.
Yeah.
And this one tonight's tasting a little different. And I know sometimes when you're having to cook for a mass amount of people, the ratios can be a little off. I feel like it's a lot heavier in the garlic.
Yeah,
Right
it
now
is.
than
It's
it normally
big.
is.
Before we make the decision of the best of these 3, I have to know, right down the line, fuck, marry, kill, In-N-Out, Shake Shack, Five Guys. What's your order?
I've never had a Five Guys burger.
Whoa!
I haven't either.
I have. It smells funny. Right?
It smells like Sizzler's cheese bread.
It was grotesque.
Well, okay, you guys both bowed out of
So
this.
that's what you have to
Well,
kill them.
we just-
we just
Yeah, we
kill
killed Five
Well,
Guys.
that is the answer anyway.
So if it's the Shackmeister, like I'd be cool with just having that one like every day forever.
Yeah.
And so I'm gonna do the Shackmeister, marry, and then I'd fuck the double animal style.
Okay.
Which I usually do at least once a trip. I don't date much.
I just did that last night.
They're married. I'm like, just you and me tonight,
Late
Burger.
nights alone at the drive-thru.
Put on Johnny Mathis at the
I've been
drive-thru
there.
in Westwood.
Yeah, don't tell
Yow.
anyone.
Yow. Oh my gosh, I'm a lady. I don't talk like that.
Back to the task at hand.
Yeah. All right. That's gonna be hard. They're
Really?
very different. Well, they're
Okay.
all very different.
You think there's a clear winner?
Well, I mean, for me, I'm torn between two.
Me too. This one and the first one.
Me too. That's mine too.
Just because it was the most interesting, and
You're going different.
what the fuck's going on? It's like
just-
they're about to say Warriors come out and play behind me. Texturally, structurally, and how interesting it was, I'm gonna go with the iconoclast, the Filipino burger
Okay.
with the jus.
I think I'm gonna go with the Tripp.
Tripp.
I am, because even though I know I said I wanted condiments on it, I love the flavor of that burger.
It's tough. It's a real toughie. Love thin patties.
Like thin patties.
Patties are ridiculous. I would go with the first one.
There you have it, folks. Tripp Burger. Y'all did it.
They put bacon in there.
They put
They
bacon.
put bacon
you
in
put
there.
bacon in anything.
Let us
You
skip the
are-
line if we ever show up.
Yes.
Guys,
Can we
can
get a cell phone number?
What's up, everybody? It's Alvin Kylan of The Burger Show. Make sure you turn on your notifications, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.